Welcome to this week's video where we are going to go through doing an unboxing of the Project Kics Leggdura racing lug bolts that I went through and purchased for my A90 Supra. I am going through and pairing these with my 3-piece work wheels that you guys have seen in my previous videos. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous videos before, welcome. I'm Kics Leggdura. This little guy right here is Badger. We are going through and documenting everything I'm putting on my A90 Supra as I turn it into a dream build of mine. So if you guys like this sort of video, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Do appreciate everyone who has subscribed to this point so far. Without further ado, let's see what's in the box. So taking a look at the kit, this is everything that you get. There isn't anything surprising here because it's just lug bolts. I ended up picking up this set of lug bolts for about $350-ish. You get 4 of the locking lug bolts, 1 for each wheel, and then 16 of the normal lug bolts. Each of them are going to have a cap that you can go through and take off. These are going to come in 4 different colors. They come in red, blue, black, and gold. Obviously, I went with the black here because there's already a lot going on with my wheels, but I thought that this was really cool because in the future, if I want to change out the lug bolt color, all I have to do is go through and purchase different color caps instead of having to go through and purchase new lug bolts. In this kit, you obviously do gotta get the adapter for the locking lug bolt, and then they also do give this tool that is supposed to hand tighten the caps once everything is fully on. Taking a look at the box here, everything is in Japanese, but there are some numbers on there that go through and show you what torque levels that you need to have. So the last thing to discuss is why did I go with these lug bolts instead of just going through and reusing the existing lug bolts. This is going to be one of those small details for me that when you get up really, really close, that's when you're going to see it, and that's when I think you're going to appreciate it. And plus, I've already gone through and put a lot into my wheels, and to just not go through and upgrade the lug bolts as I'm going through and upgrading the wheels just kind of really felt like a missed opportunity, so I just wanted to do everything in one fell swoop. This was the unboxing of the Project Kics Leggdura racing lug bolts. If you guys have made it to this point in the video, I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys next week.